All right, what's going on, everybody? WitherFox here, and today I'm excited to bring you guys another stake strategy. Now, I do want to go ahead and hop into this just so you guys can see. I'm going to show you a simulation of what I'm running here for about 5,000 rolls, and then we're going to go ahead and talk about it and talk about different points and details while I show you guys the strategy and why it works this way. So enjoy. Now, I wanted to be able to talk to you guys a little bit while this strategy is running, and you guys can see that there is profit being made here. But I do want to point out a couple of things. The first one is it has been a couple years since I posted my last stake video, and it's not that I've stopped making strategies at all, it's quite the opposite. I have quite a few new strategies I would love to show you guys. It's just that I've posted content like this in the past, and it hasn't done too well. As a matter of fact, my last stake video that I posted 2 years ago only started blowing up a couple of months ago, and that's brought in a lot of new viewers to the channel that might find this sort of content interesting. So if you guys do find this content interesting, please make sure to leave that like so the rest of everybody else knows, so that YouTube can know this is a good video as well, and comment something that you liked about this strategy or something that, you know, maybe you found positive. The other thing I want to point out here is I had some people call me out in my last video in the comments of, why are you using gold? Why don't you just use stake bucks? You know, if this was a real strategy, you would totally use your money. Now, in this particular case, I am using stake bucks just to show you guys, like, you know, hey, this works. And the reason why I have such a low amount of money is because this is the account that I make these strategies and test this on. So if I ended up losing all my money on this account, I don't care. It's gone forever, whatever, it's a few dollars. But I am using this account here to show you guys that this is possible. And I know people say that stake originals are not something that you can, you know, work the system on, but there are strategies that you can use to help maximize your gains and minimize your losses as well, while still making some money on the side. And this strategy right here is a perfect example of that. And the final and probably the most important thing about this strategy is I realized I only rolled this for about 4,000 rolls, but this can keep going. This is a strategy that I use daily in my own earnings and my own functionality here. But I think the most important thing is, even though you can see that I'm using small amounts, this can be scaled up to any size. So whether you have $4 or $4,000, go ahead and scale it up as much as you feel comfortable. Another thing I can do is show you guys, when you have low amounts of money like this, how you can actually bet less than a cent and get around stakes way of those lowest bet amounts that just don't work. You can actually bet like 14 thousandths of a penny as your lowest bet, and I will show you guys that here in this video as well. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are asking right now, so what's the strategy? How do I get started? And that's totally fair. So let's go ahead and show you guys here. When you're on stake, obviously you're going to choose a dice from the originals. We'll click on this tab right here. Now, this tab is really important because it allows us to set conditions that will make the game play the way that we want the game to play. The second thing we're going to go ahead and do is click on Create Strategy. Now, it's going to ask you for a strategy name, and you can name it whatever you want to, so I'm just going to go ahead and name it like 1.1 times or whatever.
If you're interested in this strategy and want to try it for yourself, visit the link in the description below and use code FoxFam for a free $25 when you sign up. If you're looking for more strategy discussion, be sure to visit our Discord to find more strategies, more discussions, and a fantastic community.
I already have one that's named 1.1 times, so maybe we'll just call this one Test. And we'll click Get Started. Now it's going to ask you a few rules here, and the conditions we're going to go ahead and set with the very first one is we're going to click on this pencil, and every one win, we're going to increase the bet. So we're going to increase amount, the very top one. Now, if you're watching this in the future, it might say something a little bit different. I've noticed when I've gone back to previous stake strategies, these change a lot. So just do the one that sets an amount, and we want 10%. And you can check that it's 10% because when you minimize it here, it'll just say increase amount by 10%. That's perfect. That's our very first condition. Our second condition here is going to be every one losses. We are going to increase the amount by 200%. Now, this number is kind of important. I wouldn't change it very much. You can set it to 100% and that's fine. You can set it to 10% and that's fine. But this number right here is going to basically determine how fast you're going to be able to recoup from your losses. So if you have a loss and then you make a win the next time, hopefully it goes up by, 200%. However, keep in mind that if you have this set to a really, really high number and you don't have the money to cover it, you will lose all that money. So make sure you keep that around this number, unless you know what you're doing. So we're going to minimize that. You can see increased amount by 200% for every 1 loss. Now the next one's going to get a little interesting here. So for every 12 wins, now we chose this number because of odds, essentially. So every 12 wins, we are actually going to reset the amount, and it's that simple. I will also show you guys, if you're here trying to figure out how you can bet for less than a cent, right here, I will show you guys how to come back and change that so you can do that. But we will minimize this, and then we'll add the next condition, which is on every 1 loss, we're going to switch an over and under. This essentially is just to shake up stake and kind of put them on their toes a little bit. Obviously, if you're, betting on the first 10 numbers to fail, it's no different than betting on the last 10 numbers. But switching over and under just allows that dice to kind of land between different numbers to gain some wins. That way, if you roll a whole bunch of like 1s or a whole bunch of 3s or something like that, over under is going to help kind of eliminate that. And then there's one last one. Now this one is also important. Again, if you're here trying to figure out how to bet less than a cent, which I will show you guys in just a moment, this is also going to be the other one. But we're going to do for every 11 losses, we are also going to reset the amount. This is called your safety net. This is called your collateral. This is basically what's going to keep you from having your entire wallet get drained off of a stupid set of chances that will inevitably happen. And this is what helps us recover when you guys do have losses. So it's not an if, but when you're rolling the dice for 5,000 times or 4,000 times or 10,000 or a million, whatever, you will have losses and you need to recoup those somehow. This condition is important. So let's go ahead and close that out. It's going to ask you number of games. Now I'm going to swap this over to my gold coins here because I can test a lot more with that than I can with these $3.69. But I will show you guys how this works. So if you have it set to reset the amount, then we're going to put in a starter amount. Let's say my starter amount is 100 gold coins, which is fine. Let's go ahead and change this slider right here. This is the other important thing. This needs to go down to 10%. So it's 1.1 times, so 90% chance to win. And that's all there is. You can actually click start autoplay from here and run this. But I do want to point out a couple things before people take off and start doing that are very important to understanding why this strategy works, when to stop, and how to keep yourself from losing all of your money. So from here, I'm just going to click autoplay and show you guys it running. All right, so I have a couple things to note first. The first one, you'll notice that there was a dip here. Now this is important because this dip here is what made us double our money. That's what caused us to go up to this number now. Now when you do lose, you start making a little bit more money because you're tripling down on your bet. So we ended up recuperating that. But the important thing is you can see this condition right here, this one, every 12 wins reset the amount. It got to 12 wins right here and it reset the amount. So this, all from here and backwards, is safe. It's security. And you're basically restarting again from scratch, starting a new set every 12. That's where this condition comes very important. Now, one thing I want to point out, if you are trying to bet with a small amount like this, say that you just log on here, click your daily bonus, and, get that, that's fine. You can totally do this strategy as well. To be able to adapt it to stake bucks with this little of an amount, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this one, and instead of reset amount, you're going to do set amount. Now, I don't know if stake knows this or not, but you can set this amount here to be way lower than what this box allows you to set it. You can set it to 0.0014. And you'll see that when you click off of it, it disappears. You will also see when you click onto it, it's not there. Those decimal places disappeared. So we have to reset it to 0.0014. This is very important. You're going to click off of it and it's going to look like it's set to 0. That's totally fine. You're going to also do that with the bottom. Make sure you do that with the bottom here too. So set amount 0.0014. And we're going to go ahead and leave that there. Now again, if you have a low amount, you obviously can't set the starting amount to 0.0014. It will give you an error. If I click start autoplay, oh, it actually worked. So when you go to start, you can actually set the amount here now to 0.0014, and it will allow you to do this. I'm not really sure why this is the case. Before, you used to not be able to set lower than a cent, but now at stake, you definitely can. So if you click start autoplay and swap this over to that, perfect. And you will notice right here that we are actually making money. You'll notice right here the net gain doesn't update very quickly, and that's because this is obviously very small amounts. But it does go up fast, and it will go up even faster if you do instant play. And you'll notice this will start climbing up. Now you can see right here, there's where that reset happened, those 12 wins. There's where it happened again. You will also see another dip happen right here. And this happens as well too. But you will also notice you'll come back, you'll recoup those losses. It takes a minute. And you'll get right back up there again. Now the last thing I want to show you guys, and this is just for your own research purposes, is what happens when you want to up the ante and make this a little bit more risky, but also give a lot more return. So what we're going to go ahead and do, I switched over here to my gold since we have more money to play with. I'm going to set this back to reset amount. And I'm going to do that for the bottom one as well, since we're using more than 14 thousandths of a penny. And I'm going to go ahead and change this. And we're going to do 300%. And I'm going to roll this for about 1,000 times and see if that was any more helpful or if that was actually more damaging towards my strategy here. And I actually just realized I forgot to set a bet. Let's do 100 to start with. And see where this gets us. Alright, so it stopped on its own, and right here it said invalid parameters, which is fair, because we didn't have enough collateral to be able to cover this. Now, there's a lot of things that could have happened. Let's take a look at this in particular. One thing that happened was we were doing okay, and then we dropped, which is fine because this strategy here will guarantee that you can build up back up from this. However, one thing that can happen, especially when you're doing large amounts, large collateral, large numbers right here in the losses, is you'll see right here, you can drop, and it is possible that you can drop again. And because of that, we actually ended up staying in the red for quite a bit, and we weren't able to recoup our losses as quickly. We were able to get up, which was fine, but as soon as something bad happened, we stayed in the red for quite a bit. So again, keeping this around the 200 mark is usually best, especially if you want to see graphs like the one I had at the beginning of this video. And not going any more than that is probably going to be better for your dollars. But definitely use this strategy at your own risk. I do believe it works. Like I said earlier in the video, I actually use this strategy on a daily, and I definitely wouldn't have as many gold coins on this setting right here if I didn't have working strategies. So with that being said, I do want to thank you all so much, especially the people who made it to the end of this video. You guys are the real reason I'm still kicking. And if you guys liked this video, definitely show some feedback down below. I would love to keep making stake videos. I just need to know people are going to watch them. So again, thank you so much for watching, and you guys take care.